episode of Mudra learning series. Srimad Narayaneeyam, the famous Sanskrit poem, hymn, composed by Melpathur Bhattathiripad. Bhattathiripad, when he was deeply troubled by the pain and the agony caused by arthritis, he, as an offering, composes Narayaneeyam, composed of 100 Dasakams. Each day, he used to write one Dasakam, and for 99 days he did so. As he prepared to compose the last one on the 100th day, it is said that Lord appears before him and gives him a divine darshan. The shloka chosen for today is the first shloka of the 100th Dasakam, where Melpathur Bhattathiripad describes that magnificent vision of Lord Guruvayurappa in front of him. In great detail, he describes what he sees in front of him, from head to toe of the Lord. I present this episode very humbly as an offering at his lotus feet.
ramyam parama sukharasA svAdharOmAnjithAngairavItham Naaradhadhyai vilasathu upanishadh SundarI
Melpathur says, as I look into the sanctum sanctorum, there is a light that blinds me first. And then as I look, Agre Pashyami, I see thEjO niBhidatara kalayAvalI lObhanIyam. thEjO, a blue glow. thEjO, a glow, a hue just like niBhidatara, densely packed, niBhidatara kalayAvalI, collection of the Kayambu flowers, pasyAmi, thEjO niBhidatara kalayAvalI, so beautiful, lObhanIyam PeeyushaplAvithOham. The sight was so beautiful, I was immersed in happiness, like I was immersed in Piyusha, nectar, Plavithoham, immersed, bathed, aham, tadhanu, tadutarE, and then later tadhanu, tadutarE, in the midst of that glow, I see divya KaisOra vesham, a divine young form. thEjO ramyam, so fetching, so beautiful is that youthful form. Tarunya, beautiful. Ramyam, fetching. thEjO a form that was just stepping into youth. thEjO parama svAdharOmAnjithAngairAvItham. The sight filled my mind with extreme happiness, bliss, that I had goosebumps on my limbs. In the midst of Narada and other sages who also watched this form in extreme bliss, who also had goosebumps, RomanjithAngairAvItham Naaradhadhyai vilasathu. There stands glowing Upanishadh, standing beside him, SundarI. Gopikas, the beautiful Gopikas. So, there, surrounded by Avitham, surrounded by Narada and others, and beautiful Gopikas, stands the glowing form of Krishna.
tadutarE divya KaisOra vEshamtaaruNyArambha ramyam parama sukharasA svAdharOmAnjithAngairAvItham Naaradhadhyai vilasathu SundarI